Welcome, class, to today's geometry lesson. Last week we began a study of geometric solids. Now, geometric solids are three-dimensional shapes. We talked last week about how a three-dimensional shape has length and width, and it also has height. And we can really see that it's very apparent in this shape here. I can see that this shape is a pyramid because the base is a different shape than the top of the shape there. That makes it a pyramid, and I can identify what kind of pyramid it is by looking at the base. What shape is the base? I can see that the base is a triangle. So that means this is a triangle-based pyramid. It's very cool. Today we're going to do something new with this geometric solid. If I take this geometric solid and I unfold it, I can make something called a net. Let's take a look at what that looks like. There we go. When I unfold a geometric solid, I make something called a net. A net is a figure that's composed of the sides, edges, and vertices of the geometric solid laid flat. So imagine you have a piece of paper, a flat piece of paper, and you fold it along these lines. If you do that, you can take this net here and you can fold it up into a geometric solid and vice versa. So one thing that's kind of helpful, well, nets are important because we need them in order to make geometric solids. If you have paper at home, you can actually make and cut out these shapes and actually build these geometric solids. So in order to make a geometric solid, you have to first take a piece of paper and cut it into this outline here, and then fold along these edges. But we can also identify what kind of geometric solid it's going to be just by looking at this shape. So we can tell by looking at it what shape the sides are going to be. So by looking at it, I can see that it has one side that's a triangle, another side that's a triangle. In fact, I can see that all sides are triangles. If one of these was a square, I might know that this is a square-based pyramid, but because they're all triangles, I can tell that there are no squares. It must be a triangle-based pyramid. Let's look at another example. Before we do, I'm going to make it a net, and let's take a look at something else. So in this example, I can see that all sides are what? All sides are squares or rectangles. And so I know that it must be some type of prism because I can tell that the bottom is going to be the same shape as the top. And what I do is I just kind of imagine folding up these sides and think about what kind of shape will it look like? How many sides does it have? I can count by how many faces does it have? I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I think, what kind of shape has 6 faces? I know that like a dice has 6 faces. I know a cube has 6 faces. Let's see what it is. Yep, that is a cube. So in your work this week, you are going to be identifying shapes based on their nets. Have fun with this work, and certainly let us know if you have any questions. Good luck.